Are you mining dogs tokens on Telegram? Exciting news, you can now claim them directly to your OKX or Bybit account, but there's a small catch. It might take a little time for them to appear. Don't worry, though we're walking you through every step so your tokens land safely in your account. Ready to learn how? Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've been mining dogs tokens on Telegram, today's update is all about how you can claim those tokens and transfer them to your OKX or Bybit account. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring you don't miss out on your tokens. Plus, if you're not in a rush, you have until August 20th, 2024 to make your claim. So let's get started. Step 1. Access dogs on Telegram. First things first, open the dogs interface on Telegram. This is where all the action happens. Once you're there, you'll see the option to deposit your dogs tokens to exchanges. Click on Deposit to Exchanges. You'll get a choice to either claim your tokens to OKX, Bybit, or even your Telegram wallet. Just a heads up, claiming to your Telegram wallet comes with a fee, so I recommend choosing OKX or Bybit. Step 2. Choosing your exchange. Now, if you don't have an OKX or Bybit account yet, don't worry. You can sign up using the referral links in the description below to snag some exclusive perks. You only need one of these accounts to transfer your dog's tokens, so pick whichever suits you best. Once you've decided, select OKX or Bybit and hit Yes, I have it. Step 3. Enter your account information. This part is crucial. Enter your UID, dog's deposit address, and Memo accurately. If any of this information is incorrect or missing, your dog's tokens could be lost forever, so double-check everything before you proceed. Step 4. Finding your UID, deposit address, and Memo. To get these details, log into your OKX or Bybit account. For your UID, go to your profile. It's usually at the top left corner of the interface. For the dog's deposit address and Memo, head over to Assets, then click on Deposit, followed by Deposit Crypto. Search for dogs and choose the TON network, that's dogs TON. Copy the deposit address and Memo, which is labeled as comment on OKX, and head back to Telegram to paste these into the dogs interface. Step 5. Final steps to claim your tokens. Once everything is filled out, click Send followed by I confirm, and finally, hit Woof. This sends your request to withdraw dogs tokens from Telegram to your OKX or Bybit account. Remember, the dogs tokens might not appear immediately on the exchange. It could take a little time for the system to process and confirm the transaction, but don't worry, they'll definitely be credited to your account. So there you have it, a straightforward way to claim your dogs tokens from Telegram to OKX or Bybit. Just be patient if you don't see them right away, and don't forget you have until August 20th, 2024 to make this claim. That's also when you can start selling your dogs tokens. Make sure to mark your calendar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto updates. Until next time, and see you in the next video. Also drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you've successfully claimed your dog's tokens. Let's keep the conversation going and help each other out. See you soon.